Vegan food is entirely plant-based, excluding all animal-derived ingredients such as meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. It focuses on wholesome, nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Veganism is often adopted for health benefits, ethical reasons concerning animal welfare, and its lower environmental impact compared to animal-based diets. The variety in vegan cuisine is vast and continues to grow as plant-based eating gains popularity. Staples include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and seitan as protein sources. Common grains like quinoa, rice, oats, and whole wheat provide energy and fiber. Nuts, seeds, and plant oils contribute healthy fats and flavor. Popular vegan dishes from around the world highlight the creativity of plant-based cooking. These include Indian chana masala, Middle Eastern falafel with hummus, Italian pasta primavera, Thai green curry with tofu, and Mexican bean tacos. Vegan alternatives to familiar favorites, such as dairy-free ice cream, plant-based burgers, and vegan cheese, are widely available. Modern vegan food can be both simple and gourmet, appealing to all kinds of eaters. With growing awareness and innovation, veganism is no longer niche, it's a mainstream and sustainable way to eat that doesn't compromise on taste or variety.